when you want to do literature review, it is better you go into conceptual review or framework, theoretical review or framework, empirical review or framework. This will serve as an arrangement of your facts. Anything that is talking about concepts related to what you are talking about will fall under conceptual review. Anything that is talking about theory related to that variable that you are interested in will fall under what? Theoretical review. Anything that has to do with previous findings from the literature that is related to what you are doing will fall under empirical review. These are just organizers. Now there's a difference between conceptual review and conceptual framework. There's a difference between theoretical review and theoretical framework. A framework is a basis for your own work. A review is an highlight of previous work that is related to your work. So if you are saying you want to do conceptual framework in your own work, how your concepts are related, how that conceptual relationship will explain your work is a conceptual framework. So if you are looking at internet addiction and self-efficacy, and you now draw a framework like a diagram to explain the relationship between internet addiction and self-efficacy, or how self-efficacy affects internet addiction using a diagram. And you are using that diagram as a framework to explain your work. That's conceptual framework. So, but if you are doing conceptual review, in that example, you are going to review something that has to do with internet addiction. You are going to review something that has to do with self-efficacy separately. You are also going to review something that has to do with the two interchangeably. What people have said about individually, what people have said about them together. And you also review anything that is associated with all those concepts. That's conceptual review. Theoretical review. Theories are abstraction from reality. So when you are to explain something, there's only a theory that will back it up, that has been propounded because of rigorous research. Before a theory can come out, they have conducted research over time, such that they have realized that, oh, if this is this will become this, and it has been theorized. So if you are basing your own research on that theory, and you are now using it as the basis of your own theory, it becomes a theoretical framework. But if you are telling us what other theories or other people have done that has been theorized, that can be used to explain your work, or that can help us understand your work, what you are doing is theoretical review. So when you review theories related to your work, and you just tell us how they are related to your work, that is the end. That's just theoretical review. But if you have reviewed a particular theory, and you are now basing your work based on the explanation provided by that theory, then it becomes theoretical framework.